to Brand Lechuga here. Working on the truck today, cleaning out the air filter. I guess I can give you a quick rundown on how to do it aftermarket and stock. So if it's stock, what you're going to do, go to over to your truck, pull that lever right here, and I already did it, so it didn't make a click. It's already off and open. So come over here, right here, pull that to your right, and push up. So if you have a stock air filter, as you can see, this is aftermarket. Your stock air filter will come right here, and you'll take the box. There'll be a box right here, and you'll unclip the hooks. There's probably like one, I think there's like a few on each side. Take the top off, and then you will just swap out the air filter. Check it out, make sure it's dirty, or if you don't have an air filter, blow it out at least, clean it off with a compressor and stuff. So just get it clean or replace it. But if you have an aftermarket one like this, as you can see, it's really dirty. What you'll do is you'll come over here, you will loosen the clamp, and I already did that, so just giving you an example, and then it should pull off. As you can see, it's very dirty, very disgusting, and needs to be cleaned. So we're going to do that today, and I'm going to show you how to clean the air filter out. So tools you'll need is obviously the air filter oil to put on after you clean it and dry it, and the air filter cleaner. So I'm just going to toss these in here so I can carry this out. Alright, and flathead to get the thing off, or a socket, which is like a 5 or 7 millimeter, something really small. There's the UTV trashed out because my parents are living with us right now. Their house is being built, so they got a lot of their crap in here, and it's just a disaster in here right now. So sorry about that. Making headboard. So anyway, sorry it's so dark. I'll get some lights on here in a minute to show you exactly what to do. Okay. Normally I do this outside, and today outside it was freezing cold, so I'm just gonna do this inside, and I'm gonna use, oh hey Tina, oh hey baby girl, go lay down. I'm just gonna use a bathtub. I can clean it out after I'm done. So again, as you can see, very dirty. So get some more light in here. Get some natural lighting. 1 second. My parents' dog's outside. Somebody yelled at Alyssa to let the dog in. Alyssa! Alyssa! Alyssa!
No, out.
Hey! Alyssa!
What?
Let Gracie in.
How the fuck am I supposed to know? Bring him in. Why would you?
Sorry about that. It's for the profanity. She is a potty mouth, and she doesn't listen very well. So, anyways, back to it really fast. Gonna get these out. So there's the cleaner. There's the oil. So the oil goes on last, clearly. So what you're gonna want to do is take your filter, set it down, and spray this everywhere. Get it nice and soaked in the cleaner. Just try to get it covered as much as possible to get all this stuff off. You see, it's kind of coming off. The tub's getting a little bit dirty already. So I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, and then you let it sit. I'll turn on the water, turn it on kind of high powered. And again, like I said, normally I do this outside, so I usually just take the hose. I'll take the hose, spray it down, let the stuff sit for a minute, and then just spray it out. But yeah, I might put a little bit more cleaner on there. Pretty dirty, so I just want to try to get this covered as much as possible. So I'll let it sit for a little bit, like I said. So the oil will go on after. I'll do a quick little rundown. So you can buy this in a kit. I just buy the K&N kit. I think it works pretty good. Air filter cleaner. Like I said, you spray this on there and then rinse it off. Make sure it's nice and clean. And then you will get the K&N oil air filter or filter oil, and then you will spray that on after it's all dry. So we're gonna wash it, clean it maybe a few times, and then we'll put the oil filter oil on it after it's all dry. So I'm gonna let it dry probably 5-6 hours before I put the oil on, because it needs to be completely dry. And then you don't want to go too heavy with the oil. You got to be really careful, because if you go too heavy, then it can get sucked into the intake and then damage sensors and stuff, and then you'll have sensors going out. So you want to do it right, 6 inches away. You do it like that, just kind of spray it. And again, you don't want to go too heavy because it could damage some of the parts. So now I will get my filter. As you can see, there's all the dirt coming off already. And you want to put the water on the inside, not the out. You want everything coming out. And there it is. That is disgusting. And that's why you have to clean out your air filters and make sure everything is always being cleaned out. Or if you don't have an aftermarket one, you need to swap it out, because all that crap is going into your engine. So, wonder if I can put the video up somehow. Oops, sorry about that. Let's see. Alright. Maybe mix a little bit of cold water in there to get some pressure built up pretty good. Blast it out. Oh man. So as you can tell, it was filthy, really bad. Sorry, I keep blocking the camera. So it's filthy, really bad. See some leftover dirt. I'll clean it all out when we're done. But I'm gonna do that 2 more times, and then as you see, it's still a little dirty. So I'm gonna clean it out a few more times, pretty good, and let that oil filter cleaner or K&N cleaner sit a little bit longer, maybe like 10 minutes. Let it sit, absorb really good, and then I'll wash it out again, let it dry, and then I will oil it up. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope this shows how important it is to change out your oil filters, keep them clean, because all this crap is going into your engine. So you need to keep it clean, keep it oiled. Oil helps catch the dirt, so there's a lot of dirt that was caught on here because of the oil when I cleaned it last time. But you just want to make sure you clean it at least. I like to try to do it at least, when I do oil, because all the cars that have the truck, the Nitro, the Challenger, and the GTR all have K&N oil filters. Not oil filters, air filters. So I try to clean them out when I do oil changes on them. Like the GTR just got the filters clean when I bought it. I didn't do a video. I wish I would have. They were filthy. They were disgusting. I should have done them in the tub, actually. It's best to use hot water because it gets that dirt off there. So I suggest doing it in a tub or a shower with the shower head like that, so you can just get it in there and squish it around pretty good, so you can get the head in there and just clean it out. But yeah, that is it. So that's what you want to do that 2 times at least. And I'm about to do an oil change here pretty soon in the truck, so I'll do that, and then I'll post a video with that. So that's why I do the I'll do an oil change with the oil filter, new oil, and then I'll do a filter cleaning. So I'll clean the filter out like this and bolt it back on. It just goes on the exact same way you took it off. So that's about it, and I hope you found this video helpful. Here's the stuff I used. You can do this fairly cheap. So yeah, just go to, I think they even have this at Walmart. You can get it at Walmart or any auto store. So, but yeah, that's what you do. I hope you found this video helpful. This is Brandon Lechuga. Stay tuned for more videos. There's gonna be a lot more coming this new year. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, so I'll try to get this posted before New Year's Eve. And yeah, stay tuned. Thank you. Have a good day.